ewo Konfanochi.
Assessing the 1 year performance of a year, Dr. Parkwesi, a year the current CEO, no mega say, in fact, or born home modern, or buy no, or the CEO, I watch us and mind say, in fact, a Jumana, the Ashen and Sano, who bet me I know I abroso. About technological improvements, so they are. Almost there, now saying about bed, who say me. There is a bed management system. I want to say, no. In fact, so bad, and yet say, what by bedroom, you know. Now, nurses, nay, hospital workers, and actually also ward have bed in here, need home corner, but there's a bed management system. A treat the vacancies, baby, beds are, and now wards are, beds, a war. Into only a share system, no so. Or share a year PC system, no so. Now, I say, a be a female ward, 1 emergency unit, say. Into Freya at that point, even before you be referred.
No more Oma reserve.
Oma reserve. That is how far that bad technological improvement. And Tiango Ba say, be kind just recently. A year, me offer CBA or free or more referring from a year Reverend Walker of Meswa. I didn't about Confanochi. Your honor, your Freya na or more is a space. Omuka so montwen your systems papa so space space or this particular word
as one integrating near massage that exactly bed be ebe empty pe
and that appropriate
oma indicate ama system na
capture say be a bed ewo ha say bed ewo this particular word and I think say about technological improvement a year Dr. Parkwesi is on the right track and a staff management system HR so you develop it. Staff management system when him say the ebra na me dim komo we o baby na me nim say a year staff omo work on Fanoche hospital this year no omo salary scale has been doubled until yesterday. Exactly.
Okay.
Until yesterday, and you need a CEO overall boss obetimi pursue the welfare of a year and the staff and asset and crop.
Okay.
And this man undoubtedly is performing a year marvelously well. Sir John, and then me know gaze, in fact, a year delayed promotions it is the welfare of Confanochista because year car facility no e ho asem no na omo a omo ye adwuma facility ni mu no because onu yakona ne welfare ho nsem enye den enya Sir John opey otika na we nya confidence ne we ne e ka say it means that welfare ho near my den e da ye because na oba be operative facility no machine na what machine e na because exactly
I see but say no me kai say at the early days of Obaya no na a complaints and because of the HR because of the HR no me kai pa say this matter crano on our desk in the home komo ha about HR no na man for complaining say promotions and delay. Okay, this year I can say we resolve this idea.
This year delayed promotions have been cleared. Oh, that's good. And the promotion delay in the a year former CEO on the time. HR no wo hon ko ne abanyina no onua should come omuyina ba abontin public aba because nyankopon chade Dr. Parkwesi bai ya cleaning na ma na den ama na efi ho. And it's how no about promotion sem in relation to the staff and our workers wo no. With him says this year no etwine den.
And he say no he say staff no be ade choboi na yedwuma.
What you say?
Choboi
ko wa eye ni je nko a.
Choboi
no eye ni je nko a. Starlink internet ya ka ho asemi. Starlink internet. Me TikTok live bi mra bi. Na baby na me wo no. In fact, na network ni nya kra.
Okay.
Na abrante na o host show no ka je me say go Starlink. Go Starlink a wo say internet no ebe very accessible. Dr. Parkwesi has installed a Starlink to improve communication and systems. Because
the one say network same say
anyhow
could be access where you can
so network article I was saying chow some scans near home when you buy a system now I slow near home no this year no near el course one CT scan machines are now assay in the previous year administration CT scan machines and then okohonoma ya repairing it down amani na so etumi ye adwuma the various labs are omo ho no workers be chire omo etie for maje bro mu tie. You can also, because a public facility, you can also go there and then make your inquiry into some of these things, because it's your inherent right. Obetumi akọ no akọ bisa oko the various lab, you will see improvement in these machines, because initially obekọ na yeti CT scan way ana scan no adamage ana ehun kọ ne aba na ye be hwe no yesi kọ no go twa scan no hospital fufuro and abi wo mutumi recommend private hospitals na ehun kọ ne aba ma say kọ no go twa scan na ede ewo ho, because na machines no do na no adamage. But Sir John ena me no ka say Pakwesi bae no wenya botre ama machines ni na CT scan machines no yetumi a repair ama adwuma so ye den ekoso wano ewo confirmation. So I think the gentleman should be
a good start. A good start. Sir, at this point, what we are so by consistency in the hour. If it's maintaining your mana, bibia I kama ewo honti. Send your office you buy. Also say another year or the above, and also say
employment.
Abadia number. Creative officer.
And also employment.
And also employment.
So do Rebecca was.
But as you setting a record straight, that means who adwuma no o ma ji obi adwuma nye.
Debi.